Hello and welcome to My Trade TV. My name's Michelle Orp, bringing you all the latest news from your sector. Genuine Lishi is a well-recognised brand in the locksmithing world, known for the fantastic quality and service the tools provide, and it has now been developed even further. These new revolutionary products glow, allowing locksmiths to use the Genuine Lishi picks in darker conditions. The night vision tools come in two parts and are packaged in a small box tube. Over the past few months, Genuine Lishi has rapidly expanded their product ranges and have now taken their development one step further with the introduction of the free Genuine Lishi app. The app has primarily been designed to act as a reference point for auto locksmiths who are out on a job and come across a car they are unfamiliar with. Ben Jennings, marketing manager at UAP Limited, says, "We wanted to give our customers the best and most current information we could, and we believe there is nothing like this app in the market at this moment in time." Advanced Keys deal with automotive locksmiths and garages to provide them with car keys, key fobs, remote controls and transponders as quickly and efficiently as possible. Originally set up in 2003 to supply the UK trade market, Advanced Keys has progressed to selling products worldwide. Kim Stanier, Advanced Keys Managing Director, said, "We pride ourselves on being able to help those in the trade with all sorts of issues." Hickley's, a leading specialist in auto locksmiths, is proud to announce that it will now be offering two new services on their website, completely free of charge. OBD Socket Location Tool is a handy tool that enables users to find the OBD socket on a large number of vehicles. With remote programming manual procedures, this facility enables you to find the remote programming procedure for many vehicles. MPL Specialist Entry Training courses can teach you and your operatives to gain access to UPVC, composite and wooden doors within minutes. The course content is always fully up to date. Whenever a new locking mechanism or technical development hits the market, their trainers fully familiarise themselves with the technical nuances to ensure they can teach the entry methods to their students immediately. MPL runs a number of courses for first-time students wanting to become locksmiths and for those who are experienced but want refresher courses or to learn new techniques. New Star are suppliers to ironmongery wholesalers. They have bespoke catalogues that focus on the locksmith, architectural, ironmongery and washroom sectors of the construction and retail industry. They offer locksmith products in both vision, packed and boxed. Their locksmith range consists of exclusive Barry genetic products that have been designed to enhance standard UK products, such as their garage door bolt, national key scheme locks and fire brigade locks. Complementary to this, they also wholesale Euro-spec cylinders, both standard and master keyed, plus window fittings. Securikey is one of the few physical security suppliers that offers a comprehensive range of products suitable for applications from domestic to high-end commercial, with full listing on the AIS list. One range that is becoming increasingly popular are Securikey's underfloor safes, which offer the perfect hidden security solution. Suitable for homes or small commercial premises such as offices, each floor safe is engineered to meet insurance company requirements and comply with European legislation, providing an extremely high level of security that can be achieved without breaking the bank. Avocet Hardware has announced a deal with Doorstop International that will see the UK's favourite composite door manufacturer stock its full range of Affinity hardware. Key products include Avocet's ABS Snap Secure Lock and the Affinity 3D adjustable butt hinge. Christopher Burrows, Avocet Hardware's head of UK sales, said, "We are striving to establish Avocet as the market leader across every aspect of the business, and to achieve this we need our excellent product and service to be matched by exceptional distribution." And finally, something a bit different. And in the spirit of supporting homegrown talent, we're pleased to announce that Bison Frames are supporting and sponsoring new band, the Sherlocks. Here's a look at one of their tracks. That's all for now, but join us next time for more news from your industry.